Всем привет!
I wish I found some better sounds no one's ever heard. I wish I had a better voice that sang some better words. I wish I found some chords in an order that is new. I wish I didn't have to rhyme every time I sang. I was told when I get older all my fears would shrink, but now I'm insecure and I care what people think. My name's Blurry Face and I care what you think. My name's Blurry Face and I care what you think. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep, but now we're stressed out. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep, but now we're stressed out. We're stressed out. Sometimes a certain smell will take me back to when I was young. How come I'm never able to identify where it's coming from? I'd make a candle out of it if I ever found it. Try to sell it, never sell out of it. I'd probably only sell one. Maybe to my brother, cause we have the same nose, same clothes, homegrown, a stone's throw from a creek we used to roam. But it would remind us of when nothing really mattered. Out of student loans and treehouse homes, we all would take the ladder. My name's Blurry Face and I care what you think. My name's Blurry Face and I care what you think. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep, but now we're stressed out. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep, but now we're stressed out. Used to play pretend, give each other different names. We would build a rocket ship and then we'd fly it far away. Used to dream of outer space, but now they're laughing at the face, saying, wake up, you need to make money. Yeah. We used to play pretend, give each other different names. We would build a rocket ship and then we'd fly it far away. Used to dream of outer space, but now they're laughing at the face, saying, wake up, you need to make money. Yeah. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep, but now we're stressed out. Wish we could turn back time.
Hi to everyone. Just one more minute. We're about to start.
Always think about you, always thought I have a life I could grow with you. But as time fades, crazy how our lives change, feeling like a shockwave without you. Always think about you, always thought I have a life I could grow with you. But as time fades, crazy how our lives change, feeling like a shockwave without you.
So, here we are. It's my second tutorial about how to edit perks and other stuff in DBD. As far as many people know, BHR changed bug files, game files in latest patch. The only thing changed is all the files, so the strings, so the text is currently compressed using zlib method. And before we start doing anything, we should understand what zlib is and how it works. For this purpose, we can visit Cyberchief, probably one of the best websites I'm using literally in every situation. So, what do we have here? We should search for zlib and drag zlib deflate to here. And now we can just type hello world. So we can see strange symbols here, and to understand them better, we can change everything we have to hex. And to make it look better, let's make it to uppercase. So, as we can see, there's some hex bytes, and for example, let's change last symbol to like this. And let's compare our two results from hello world default one and when we're changing the symbol. As we can see, some part of the text is still the same, but if we look further, we can see that it's literally changed. There's no repeating hex bytes or something like that. So what is actually happening here is the first bytes we can see here, the bytes that are repeating, we can call this header. So like name of my current YouTube stream, this header was made to make programs and other stuff understand that next hex bytes going after this header is using that lib method, and probably some settings you can read more about that lib on Wikipedia or wherever, like how it works. There's a lot of information, at least should be. So yeah, this is just header that tells our PC that it need to work with that lib. So yeah, the main issue here is that we can't really understand what is writing in here. Alright, for us everything in that lib is just random text. I can type anything here, and how do we change it? Yeah, this is the question literally everyone have right now, and today I'm gonna show you how to work around it, how to still edit the files. It's not the new method or something, it's just more complicated than before, but still pretty easy. So, first of all, I slightly recommend you to watch previous stream. You can find it on my YouTube channel. Let's open it. Here's for previous version of DBD, how to edit perks. Because I'm not gonna repeat everything I taught in first stream. So, as before, we're just opening the game packs folder. Also, we need the F model. Let's open our pack file. Content. Blueprints. Perks. Survivor perks. And let's take Bond. We're doing literally the same things, but first of all, we need to get uncompressed file. To do this, we just click on our Bond perk here in F model, right click, export to ref data. Now we're going to output, exports, Dead by Daylight, content, blueprints, perks, survivor perks. Now we just edit it as before. I'm not gonna change value in UX file since you can just watch previous video, as I said, to understand how to work around this. Let's just change it to, I don't know, rule killer in range, something like that. Yeah, should be fine. Just replacing it with 0, 0 is 0. Oh, okay, yeah. I remember the value, so yeah, here it is. Let's just change it to a big number. So yeah, we successfully changed our Bond perk, but it's uncompressed and we can't really find all this text in our pack file, right? So if I try to search for it, nothing found. As I said before, this is because everything in pack file is compressed right now, and how do we work around it? Well, nothing really hard here. Fmodel already shows us the offset, the bond perk we opened to start at. In HXD we just press I don't remember key binding. Wait. Oh yeah, Control plus G. Control plus G, and just typing these numbers in here. 10 and 0, 0, 0. Not well. I'm not sure this is right offset, but anyway, we will make sure later. Right now, we should create the copy of our pack file. We just create a copy. Let's name it original. And open it up. So now we have two pack files, original one and the one we're gonna change. Next thing we need is quick BMS. There's some other ways to work around with perks, but the quick BMS is the easiest one and probably the fastest one. You can find it in stream description under gameplay text list. We just extract quick BMS to here. Well, doesn't really matter where do you extract your quick BMS. For me, just packs folder, the best folder I can find. Next step, you're gonna create the new folder with any name you want to. And to here, we just drag in our output, exports, our exported perk that we already edited, changed. Next step, we're gonna re-import it back to the files. Now we select pack file 0 and the files we're gonna, oh yeah, permission denied. I forgot to close the fmodel. Now we just need to wait. The time you need to wait depends on your PC. Compressed size too big. Well, this is a bad message. In most cases, your game gonna crash if you see this. Okay, let's see if our game working. Yeah, it does. Great. So we already have our custom made bond perk in our game, but we have one more question. How do we put everything we made into mjson mod file? Like before, we were just making empty file, bond tutorial original, and change it to evoke. And let's make one more and call it edit. In your hex editor, we're just going to start placing our mouse cursor to here, same in this file, and going to analysis, compare files, and compare these two. And as we can see, we already found the beginning of our bond perk in compressed files. What do we do now is we click to the beginning, right mouse click, and we're gonna copy the offset. Let's make a new file. So this is offset of start of the perk in pack file, And now we need to find where this perk ends at. For this we just scrolling down to the end, placing mouse cursor here, same in this file, and going to here and searching for previous difference. Oops. Oh, well, this doesn't matter. We need to find the perk. Oh, bro. Well, this is kind of strange. Quick BMS did something bad to our files, but doesn't matter. So yeah, we're searching where bond perk ends at. Here's our offset. Just placing our mouse cursor to here and copy offset of the end. So now we have the position our bond perk start set. Now we have position our bond perk end set. And now we just press Control E, placing here first one, placing here second one, and click OK. Same thing we're doing here. So what we just did is selected the hex bytes in original file and in already changed one, all the bytes of the bond perk. And now we're doing same thing as before. We're just opening up our empty files. Where is it? Bond tutorial, original one, to here. And edited one to here. Now we can just open up our Dead by Daylight mod installer, uninstall, install create my package, font speed 4550, specifying pack file, original ebook, Bond tutorial original, Bond tutorial edit, build mod package, let's name it the same way. So yeah, everything is done. We can, for example, uninstall it. And boom, everything is working just fine. The only thing changed in latest patch. You just need to work around a bit more time, but nothing really special or something. It's just boring to make all the stuff every single time. Proceed all this on this team. Well, actually, you can edit pack files on Epic Game Store, but no one wants to mess around it. No one cares about Epic Game Store. Have you done one for Killer? Yeah, you can visit Telegram. It called. Wait, let me check. It called Spies from the Shadows Killer Rage. MJSON. So yeah. Also you can find the video wall hack for survivors and beacon flashlight. Absolutely new thing for public. That you can with this beacon flashlight you can like blind killer from any distance, and it works. At least it showed work 60 degrees, but I don't know if it does. I didn't check. I have video somewhere in here. Super flashlight. So yeah. MBDS private server was unfortunately put onto Epic Games. What a mistake. Well, yeah, as I said, no one really cares about the Epic Games Store version of the game. The Astler DBD asking, can I repeat everything I said on Russian? Well, don't be scared about what I say next. It's gonna be on Russian. Astler. Английский язык — это язык, который, есть в каждой стране, он является стандартом, по сути. Но, к сожалению, придется либо использовать переводчика, а в идеале, конечно, выучить английский язык самому. Потому что, чтобы донести мысль для всех, я буду использовать всегда его. Может быть, кто-то запишет гайд на русском языке. Это буду не я. Я не собираюсь повторять одно и то же по несколько раз. What are you able to see the killer Sara if they're undetectable? Well, how custom perks work? You're just using the game functions. And the game killer review things never show you killer if he's undetectable. Yeah, if there are steals, it's not possible. This is how game works. You can't change the logic of it. Well, yeah, no, you can. You actually can, but I'm not gonna show it. At least not right now. Yeah, like Michael or Ghostface. Flashlight don't require any perk. I just changed logic of flashlight itself. You don't even need to take any specific add-on for flashlight or whatever. So guys, if you have any questions, since I've already shown everything, and while stream still going, I can answer any question. Is it possible to make a perk that makes the survivor scream instead of be intended action? Well, some of game logic is server-sided. Something like generators repair or item proficiency. Oh, not proficiency. The freaking hell! I don't know how to say it. The time the amount of time you can use your item. Let's say like this. It's also server-sided, and I believe that screams server-sided as well. So even if you change it on your side, server not gonna understand it, and survivors won't scream. Even if they do scream, they're gonna scream just for you. Can you hug the blood? The blood points. Yeah, efficiency. Yeah, you can. Oh yeah, let's talk about blood web hacking. It's pretty good them to talk about. I'm gonna show a very specific trick. Let's go to Pax folder. Let's return our original pack file to here. Now let's create copy. Original. Now we're gonna open up the F model. Pack 0. That by default content data. I don't remember where it exactly is. Let's search for blood web settings, not rarity cost. Yeah, not rarity cost. And let's export ref data. Now we're just going to exports, that by daylight, content data, blood web data. Copy to box folder, quick BMS, out, that by daylight content. Oh yeah. Pass it to here, data, blood web. Now we go into here. Is it integer? It's supposed to be integer number. So just number. Yeah, it is. And we can just replace everything here to 0. Replace all. Wait, what? Oh. Replace all. Why? Why is it gonna change that? Oh, it's float. Okay. So it's float number here. No? What? Why can't I change just? To 0? What? That's very strange. Okay, let's change everything manually. I don't know why it's not working. To 0. To 0. To 0. To 0. Bro, this is so boring. I'm gonna die changing everything here. One more 10,000. 0. 5,000. 0. And one more 10,000. 0. Finally. Oh hell, we just delete everything we don't need. We need just the ext file with numbers. And we're gonna repeat same thing we did before, reimports. I'm gonna close F model. And return name and box, pack file 0, pick BMS out. We're just waiting for it's done. Now we just open up our game. How about item efficiency? Item efficiency is server side that you can change it. Well, you actually can, but it's not gonna make any effect. Wait, where's my... Is it possible to edit the blood web generator? Yeah, this is what we did right now. Yeah, you can actually edit everything you want. I'll show what exactly you need to search for to do this. Why not just use injector? Well, this is just example of how you can work around. I'm not telling you should edit blood web definitions or wherever. It's just example of what you can do. Place survivor. We go to blood web. And as we can see, everything is 0, and it actually 0. So you can purchase anything and not spend the blood points. This is so stupid, but yeah, it does work. Same way I changed flashlight. Let's go to our F model again. So where flashlight definition set is data and to enable values. Everything is here. We just search for flashlight, flashlight beam angle, flashlight beam length, and blah 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 blah. We just export raw data. In case with tunable values, everything is even more easier than even ever before. I'll show why. And just open up HXD and let's open up UX file. And as we can see, in this case, the text that goes with values is in here in UX file. This means is that we can just search for bmango integress text in here and search for value 20 of type of float, going backward, and here it is. So in this case, everything is easy as it can even be. Yeah. Same with flashlight beam length. It's gonna be here's this text, length of the beam in centimeters, length of the beam in centimeters, and if we search for 1000 in float and going forward, we can see that it goes right before this text. So yeah, you can change this file, you can change healability enable. Oh, I'm gonna show one more thing. This is very fun thing. Let's export healability enable database. It's also a specific one. Let's close our game. Healability in soft long dash, max walk speed, arrow radius, camper, chainsaw initial turn rate. This is what we need. Let's copy the float value. We're opening up UX file, searching for float, and let's change it to, I don't know, 1000 or 2000. Doesn't really matter. Change so much charts. Yeah, as I remember, this is the right one. We're saving changes, keeping just UX file. Now we're going to our QuickBMS, content data, our import, new tournament, pack file 0, QuickBMS out, save. Freaking hell, I forgot to close F model again. I always forgot to do this. Ben Pavel asking me, can I like tell all the functions that going on client side? Well, Ben, I can tell you which functions going on client side. I mean, I can give you full list of these functions. You need to test everything by yourself. But what I can say is all these gameplay modifier types, I've put it under most useful tag, is client-sided. So you can use them even if you're not server authority. So our QuickBMS re-imported files successfully. We're just going to the game. Flashlight blindness duration. Okay, lady. So blindness duration will work, but just for you. So if you blind a killer with your flashlight, it's gonna be default flashlight blindness duration for him. But if someone flashlight you, you're gonna wait all this 100 seconds. What are changes of when using wallhack? Everything you use right now, the bugs editing thing, risk is only get reported right now. So only if someone report you with proofs, and game developers, so behavior can somehow prove it, you will get banned. But it's zero change just for changing files. Even if Easy Anti-Cheat will detect the changes in your pack file, you just see the message pop up about your game files is broken or something like that. And it will ask you to verify game files, but you're not gonna be banned for this. Yeah, as I said, ban changes is 0. Yeah, it should work, Moe. You probably can put it to 0. I didn't tested it. I don't know why, but yeah, I didn't test it. But it should work. Do you think you could interior make the flashlight angle 0 and have free white burn? Well, I don't know about white burn. Can we download Wallhack pack? Lana Lur. Sorry, I can't say your name. It's pretty complicated for me. Everything in Telegram. You can find the wait, how it's called? Mod installer starter pack, where you can find 2 basic mjson files and some other files scrolling down below. So yeah, everything in Telegram. It's not a pre-made pack file. You need to use mod installer. Dengus laughing at the fact my nickname is Run Away from Hellhound. Not the proper translation, but yeah. Translation. Oh, hell. No one playing DBD, no one cares about this game. I can find freaking much. You have a link? Yeah, sure. Oh, guys, can someone send the link in chat, please? It's gonna take too much time for me. No one can send a link to. Okay, let me do it by myself. Here it is. Oh, we finally found a match. Yay! Bro, everything is very cheap on this lunar event. I love latest DBD DLC so much. This one for Free Blood Web is very bug. Ben Powell asking, is Slack server-sided? Yes, it is. The lacking percent is fully server-sided. You can't edit it. Wallhack perk for killer will be released. Oh, no, not right. Will the Wallhack perk for killer be released? Yeah, it will be, but not by me. Maybe. I don't know. Well, I believe someone else will do Wallhack for killer. I'm just tired making all these perks. Well, maybe the reason is that I'm pretty lazy, but yeah, I don't want to work around it. Let's make sure that I didn't miss anything. Blood Web is not server-sided, that's so weird. Yeah. Yeah, it is, but can you manually unlock the skins and DLCs from pack? Well, if you look in my Telegram channel, I've already unlocked some skins, but talking about DLCs and other stuff, yes, I did DLC and other stuff unlocked through pack file, but is anti-cheat detecting this change? So even with fact you can do this, Easy Anti-Cheat will not let you play with unlocked uses and stuff. Lot left asking me, did I forget how to talk on Russian? Well, as I already said on Russian, the English is like worldwide language, and the best way to spread information around the world is talking on English. I'm not gonna use Russian or something. If there are people that gonna repeat everything I've taught in this video, on the stream, sorry, but on Russian, why not? I will not even ask for credits, but will be blocked too. Lucas asking, can you get more than 2 add-ons? I believe you can do anything through pack files, but you need to find a way how. But her log save file changes. Yeah, every save file state is being saved on beachwire server. So probably you can even get your first save file when you just started the game. So let's see how chainsaw works. Oh, well, I think I messed up somewhere, maybe didn't change something. I've edited chainsaw so much time ago, last time, and as you can see they changed something in here. But yeah, you're able to change the turn rate speed. Oh, well, it looks like it does work, but on very beginning, I don't know. Yeah, it does work, but on very beginning. You need to change something else too. Not gonna check what exactly goes wrong. I need to download Telegram to download. There's a web version of Telegram, but better to download Telegram client, yeah. Dango's asking me when I get banned for changed perks. As I said before, you can only get banned for reports, so people should report you in game. Alex asking me, is there a perk that can show you survivors and killer through the walls? Yes, everything in Telegram, Alex. Clearly should be booked spies. Oh, sorry, I can't translate it. I'll just make sure. What do you mean? Oh, the perk. Oh, well, my pack file is original one right now, so I don't have this perk installed. It's not gonna work anyway. If only perk cooldown for stuff like diversion and only means reclaimed side would be so nice. No. Perk cooldown is also server-sided. There was an opportunity to make Infinite Death hard before, but right now it's fully patched. You can't use that card without exhausted regen anymore. Can you showcase flashlight beacon, please? Yeah, sure. I have video. Oh, well. The commands.
Here we go. That's it. That's all there is to it.
What if I had that shit? I keep getting blinded. Very funny thing. Reports is useless in this game. Well, if you use in-game reports, maybe. Well, not maybe. The game devs not even reading this in-game reports, but you can write down to their email and they will read it. I mean, yeah, they take care only about the reports you send to their communication email. Does it make mark palettes and windows? No, it's still possible. You can edit VisualPerk any way you want to. For my opinion, it's so crazy to have everything on your screen. I mean, if I add windows or palettes to VisualPerk, it's gonna be so hard to identify what you think on your screen right now, because there's already too much things showing through the walls. Can anyone see that you have such big flashlight beam? No, this flashlight beam visible just for you. So everyone else see default flashlight in your hands. They see default beam, but you still can use it through all map long or blind killer walking backward or something like that. Bro, those survivors already escaped. I just gave them full game. Bro. Bro. Go away from here, bro. Yeah, run away. How does the ultimate skin unlock work? Okay, let me show you. Wait, what do you mean under how it works? You mean how? You mean the end result, or how does it work at all? So applied, but it didn't do anything. Let's see. So what you have here when you're using Ultimate Skin Unlock is mods, customizations that you're never supposed to get, even never know how. There's literally no way to get this item. Even if you have it in inventory, it's not available. Also, you have exclusive items like Deer Hype. It was very hyped before, but right now people think it like, what the shit is it? Like, who the fuck playing with this shirt? But it's still very pog to have it, since everyone can see it. Yeah, talking about everyone can see it, the mod's skins also visible to everyone in game. For Jack Park we have exclusive t-shirt. It's also mods one, but it have exclusive texture. So it's literally exclusive items that you're never supposed to game. Oh, to get, sorry. For Cloudette, we have team's freaking name. Oh, we have this in original. We have this in original. We have mods one, we have retro one breaker, which is available for everyone as I can remember. For Mac we have original Angry Pack, a Bloody Crash that you can't get anyhow. It's exclusive one. Like there's no alternative for free. This is the only way to get it. For Dwight we have original Red Dude, original Golden Shirt, original Real Happy, Bloodletting, which you can obtain through market file, but this is the original one as well. Mod stores that looks like Twitch t-shirt. Yeah, there's also some stuff for killers. On Trapper we have Mask of Delirium, H2O Delirium. I believe almost half of the streamer watchers, viewers, half of you guys know about H2O Deliriums. Second thing we have is Omega for the race, and Smiley for nurse. Boy over buff. Where did it didn't show up after I applied? I don't need a SERVE pass to use mod installer, right? Yes, you don't need you don't need SSL bypass to use mod installer. It's two different things. Maybe specified the wrong folder. To find out where your game installed, you just right mouse click in Steam, go to properties, local files, and see where it's installed. Next we're gonna DBD, content packs, and you just need to specify this pass in here in mod installer. Most of those exclusive were made in current anyways, but it's still funny to see them in your inventory. Well, there's a big difference between the charity case and original ones. Charity case gives you these exclusives, but in worse rarity. They're like purple, something like that. I don't remember exactly. And also through pack file you can unlock other skins that you're never supposed to get, like H2O Delirious mask, like Jake t-shirt. Can you explain how the cursed market program works from your Telegram? It's just Fiddler core. It's just automatically. Okay, let's name it Fiddler, but made just for DBD. Yeah. Market being obtained from my website, from my API. Which I update from patch to patch, and you don't need to update market file by yourself or whatever. If you want to see the source code of Cursed Market, you can just visit GitHub, Cursed Market, Cursed Market Reborn. Here it is. You can see, you can compile it by yourself. Every single file is in here. Well, yeah, there's also the way. Is it possible to change the add-ons? I've tried to do it once, but it didn't work. Add-ons probably server-sided, but maybe not all of them. You need to work around to find out if there's any client-sided add-ons. How can I equip two green battery at once? Know how you need to work around with cheat engine, for which you need easy anti-cheat bypass, or you need to find a way to edit game files to make it possible. By default you can do this. So, if there's any other questions, you can ask, guys. But I'm about to go. I have a college today, and I can't be there forever. Can you edit the add-ons a camper is holding inside of save files? Even if you can, it's not gonna give you any result. I don't know, car guy, about borrowed time. I think it's also server-sided, but you can try to edit by yourself. I don't know, Master, you need to check this out by yourself. Everything should be tested. As a tutorial of the programs you're using for your brings in 5.3.0 video, just watch previous stream. It's on my channel. Videos, how to edit perks. I described everything in here. The stream was made just to show how do you work after new files compression. So let's take like, I don't know, 2 more minutes and I'm gonna end the stream. I'm really tired. What do you know? Do you know what is gameplay modify type modify stat? No, not really. Maybe it's some testing stuff, or maybe it was made for, I don't know, for any perk, just for an perk or wherever. Have a good night. Well, it's 8 a.m. for me. I don't know about good night. Yeah, as I said, I need to visit college in like 2 hours, and I want some time to prepare. You can even swap killer's powers themselves. You can like take Anna's hatchets on Ghostface or wherever you want to. You just need to use your imagination and work around with everything. You can do anything when you can edit the game files. Editing game files meaning that you can edit game logic itself. Thank you, Curly. Cranch may be loud. When Pavel asking who do I order for my profile picture, I don't really understand the questions. It's my fursona. Some furry stuff that a lot of people can't understand. I don't know, maybe. Maybe I should type like that. Yeah? Did I answer to your question? Is flashlight beacon quickly bannable? As I said before, flashlight beam working like that just for you, so no one can really see that your flashlight is all map distance or wherever. So in some cases people won't even understand what exactly happening. My last video is a great example of it. The killer didn't even understand what happened to him and why he kept getting blinded. So looks like that's it. No questions left. I would like to make your survival be in agony. You're kinda evil, Fang. Even though it could flash him from anywhere, it will only work for whoever has it. Well, I don't really get what you mean, but only you can flashlight killer like that. Is there any chance you can make visual hacks that include spells and windows so people have options? As I said before, I believe someone will make a video by himself, but I'm not gonna do this by myself, at least not now. and not even planning. Let's wait 1 more minute. If there's no questions left, I'm just ending stream. Luck is server-sided. You can't edit here. No way we can have 5 perks, right? Everything is possible, we just need to find the way. What injector should I use for Steam? You should use any working injector. You can use one from Telegram channel. Probably don't trust me in what I'm gonna say, but it's probably the best one currently. Also, it's open source, like Corset Market. You can find it on my GitHub repositories. Cranch lib compiled safe injector. Here it is. So glad. So I hope I answered all the questions. Good luck to everyone and have a nice day. Bye.